ভাই মানুষ যা ইচ্ছা তাই করতে পারে।
There is a water crisis due to insufficient rainfall and also drought. There is no water for their domestic life, for their consuming the water, and also agriculture affected by the shortage of the water.
আমাদের জন্য তো আশা এটা।
I am coming here. This issue is related with my life, my livelihood. I raise the demand to government, please solve the problem.